Hold up, did you really think it was going to be that easy? This process took me so long. My IKEA delivery took longer than expected. That's why this video took longer than expected. And if you guys are wondering what this is, it's a fake face tattoo, okay? I'm gonna show you guys what I've done in the last 3 months of this vlog of me just sorting everything out. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mazna X here. What the plan is this here is my beauty room. It is in a great need for an extension. I will be moving all this beauty stuff into the bigger room and I'll be making this my bedroom. This video is about how I transformed my bedroom into a beauty room. Today I will be removing everything from my bedroom. The carpet guy is coming in at 4. I only have like 2.5 hours to do this, and it's got this horrible green carpet which it's so disgusting. I've had that carpet for so long. I've wanted to change it for so long. Let me just show you what my room looks like. Since last time, I have cleaned up my room a lot. This is what it looks like currently. Look how ugly this carpet is. It does need hoovering, okay? And that's a ring. It's just such an ugly colored carpet. And this is not usually my bed sheet, but I'm using it right now. The carpet is actually sitting here. It is so long. I haven't told my mom and dad that I'm changing the carpet.
Isa Wendy's, where y'all from?
ISO, Indies, yeah. Live free, speak your piece. Stay home.
Guys, I'm so impressed with myself. I did this in 2 minutes. Look how empty it looks. Bye-bye carpet. Current situation, I'm exhausted. But I'm so amazed at myself. I thought this was going to take me a whole day, but I managed to do it so fast because the builder guy called and he was like, I can come early if you want. And I was like, I'm not ready. So I was like, shit. So I just did it really fast. But I'm so proud of myself. Who knew I worked this well under pressure? I literally did that in 20 minutes. Oh my god, Will, I'm gonna put this on. That's gonna be the beginning of the video. Take 2. Okay, so this is what the carpet's looking like right now. It looks so much better than before. I am so excited. So the next thing I'll be doing is the walls. I need to get some paint. Okay, hi guys, right, today we are at home base. We picked up some paint down there and picked up some like fillers because I've made so many holes, and I've bought this railing because I couldn't get the other one from Argos. So right now I just got back from home base and I've just been filling in these holes
With the trees and the cars, brownstone buildings with the kids.
Okay, so this is what the room is looking like currently. I'm gonna try to get rid of these marks. I also filled in some of these, and there's some cobwebs up there, so I'm just gonna like clean it out and just get it like prepped for painting.
Now let me see what's in store.
I've just broken my nails. I am so annoyed. These are probably gonna get wrecked anyway when I start painting, so.
I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies, and these girls going wild cause they flashing they this litty. Watch your steps cause these blocks be. We grew up on that bad boy in 96 with Diddy. Take a walk, come with me. Let me show you what really go down.
I've been painting. I took a little break to go and edit a video for Instagram, but it basically looks the same. It looks the same. The only thing that looks better is that those marks like that are gone after I paint. This bit's taken me so long wedging all of these into the side so I don't get it on the carpet. So worried about getting it on the carpet. Like, I want to move it again, but I'm worried that I'm going to spill a bit of paint and it's going to go on the carpet, so I'm being extra careful. Good morning, guys. Yesterday I painted till like 11. It just makes it look so refreshed and so clean, and it just looks so nice.
Fiends on the corner, every hood got a deli or crowns. Cops pull us over, it don't matter if you black or you brown. City never sleeps, this the place that where hip hop was found. Playground parks with the trees and the cars, brownstone buildings with the kids.
It's helping me take this across. Do you need my help?
That we lost, bodegas on the corner, let me see.
Oh, there's something up there. Oh, there's something up there. Can you get it? Helps to have a tool.
Picture of me.
Careful. What if something fell on you?
No, it's me.
It actually is. This nearly broke my back. Oh my god, it was so heavy because it was so high. It was the highest drawer. It was like up here, and I pulled it out and I nearly broke my back. That was scary. Do you need help? Like, it's so great. I could never move this. I'm just gonna film it. I'm just gonna take it easy for a bit. That was heavy enough for me, and the other one nearly broke my back. Look how nice it looks already. It looks so clean. I mean, this looks quite messy down here, but apart from that, can you imagine it all being set up? Now we're just popping these on, and then most of the hard things are done. I can just move in the little stuff myself, and we got a new beauty room, guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put curtains all across there, which I'm really excited about. I'm gonna get my curtains back on. I got way too much clothes, and I'm gonna figure out a place for this. It might have to go in my bedroom. Oh, babe. Was that one heavy? That one was the heaviest, wasn't it?
First one, yeah.
Oh my god, I nearly broke my back doing that.
Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. I look around as I'm viewing the city. Skyscrapers and bridges, bright lights, fast life, Manhattan living. Cross over downtown, welcome to the concrete. The Nets to Barclays, the Mets to Yankees. Ubers and yellow taxis. And while I'm fitted with some butters, we her savvy. When tight jeans was baggy, from JFK to...
So right now what you guys are seeing is a mess, but it's a collective mess, okay? But these are the stuff I'll be keeping when the new storage stuff arrives. This is all the recycling and rubbish pile. Yeah, I recently got a few of these baskets from Homebase. So what I'm gonna do is with this one, I'm actually gonna put in my summer shoes. So I've ordered some IKEA stuff.
City that never sleeps, insomnia. Home of junior mafia. Word. Playground parks with...
Okay, walking in, I put these curtains up here. I don't know how I feel about it. I might take it down. But this is my mirror. I need to take this box light down. I put those those curtains up there as well, just to hide all this nastiness happening back here. But it also gives me like a nice thing to film against. It just softens up all this like white hardness that's going on. I think it just creates a bit more softness without adding color, which I like about them. I still need to add a mirror. I've ordered some lighting. I think I might put a shelf up there, and I need to drill blinds up here, but I just didn't want to drill the blinds up or put the shelves up right now because I'm not sure if this is going to be sitting exactly here or if I'm going to be moving it or not. All of these things are just stuff that I could not fit into any, but I have gotten to a point where I just need another one of these PAX System drawers to put in so I can put all of this stuff in. This is what the curtain looks like. I don't know how I feel about it. I just feel like it makes the room look smaller, but at the same time I can see why it'll be useful when I need to film like try-on hauls. I kind of want this bottom bit to be completely free as well, and I want all the storage just to be up here and this to be like sorted out properly. 2 whole months later, and I have finally got my delivery from IKEA through due to the current situation. I actually ordered it before the whole lockdown even took place, but then I missed my delivery and now it's finally arrived. I can finally put up everything that I need to put up in order for my beauty room transformation to be finished. So I'm so excited to get that up for you guys. It feels good. It feels good, and especially because I've had to wait this long, I think it makes me grateful for fast delivery, I guess.
In the cars, summer cookouts, uncle.
What I'll be doing is I'll be moving this across, and then I'll be putting this Alex drawer next to this one up here. So hopefully everything will be fine. I've got a lot of stuff on the desk, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like the biggest box and just put it all in the box and then deal with all that later. Right now I just want to work on just getting this up. Plan change, I'll be moving this over here, and this will be my vanity section.
Got the sandals on, Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch.
So I have finished doing all of these drawers. I will just be putting them up now.
Hey, all day we go hard, yeah, like so. Brooklyn.
This is what the vanity section is looking like. It looks so much better than what it was looking like previously. Today I've also put up the lights yesterday, so it's looking super cute and it looks so bright and so nice. It just lights up the whole room and it gives it a whole new vibe. Quickly also want to say regarding all the stuff, I will list most things that I have bought here, but I won't be listing everything because obviously this isn't a tour of everything that I have. So for that video, that's where I'll be listing just everything that I have, everything that I own, so you guys can go and find it for yourself. But for this, I will just be listing the little stuff that I bought. For example, the PAX system, I bought the lighting, where I got it from, and obviously I'll put the mirror and stuff down because I'm always getting asked that. But apart from that, I won't be listing everything. I'm so sorry, but this is just not that type of video. And one thing I've completely forgotten to say is please do like and subscribe if you guys like this video. It would mean so much to me, and I'm just so silly. Obviously, I'm not used to this whole YouTube thing, right? So I hope that's okay. And now it's time for me to do a little tour of everything that's come together. The only thing is not everything is perfectly put together right now, but I will do my best to show what has come of it so far, and you can see where it's gonna go now. And oh, it makes me so happy. I hope you enjoyed that video. There was so much happening because as I was changing the rooms around, because this was my old bedroom and that was the beauty room that I used the small room for. As I was moving it around, I actually did a whole makeover on my bedroom. This is a little snippet that I'm gonna let you guys see, but that video will be out in a few weeks time depending on when the final delivery arrives, because I have ordered a desk for that room. Another thing that I will be adding to this makeup room is a little sofa bed, which I've got my eye on, but I do not know what's happening with the delivery and that company right now due to the sad current situation we are in. Depending on what happens with that, I do have like a little area that I want to fix this part of my room to make it into like a convertible space where people can stay over if they want to, or if we need the spare bedroom, which this is my office and spare bedroom, people can use to crash here. Another thing, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I didn't really show you guys my wardrobe because it looks disgusting. I haven't gotten around to it. My wardrobe collection is forever growing because I am so kindly getting gifted fashion items from brands, and I am so honestly, I'm so grateful that I get all these like free stuff. But free stuff means more stuff, and more stuff means more storage needed, and I am running out. So I think it's gotten to a point where I've dealt with my makeup. I haven't fully dealt with it. I haven't fully sorted everything out. I need to actually expand and I need to actually invest in better storage system. I'm gonna be fixing up my wardrobe in a few months time. I will be doing a video for it, so let me know if you guys want to see my bedroom tour. I think you guys will love it because it's so beautiful. I absolutely love my bedroom. Let me know if you guys want to see me trying to tackle and figure out a way to lay out my wardrobe, and let me know if you guys want to see a full in-depth tour of my beauty room, because once I have everything sorted out in drawers and beautifully laid out, I'm more than happy to do a deep in-depth tour of my makeup collection, as well as how I film, what I like to do with my filming, because I think I have figured out something that works for me. If you guys would like to see like a full in-depth video about that, I am more than happy to do that once I get everything sorted out. Okay, I quite like this platform just being a platform where I can post whenever I've got the chance to. But I think I've gotten into a mindset where I'm just like, I'm just gonna do whatever I want to do when I want to do it and how I want to do it. I don't want to put pressure on myself anymore, because I think I have done that to myself and I've beaten myself up about it. So right now I'm just gonna do whatever I want, whenever I want, however I want. Okay, I am so happy with this video, and I hope you guys liked it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video very soon, hopefully.